सो क्या हाल है गाइस, उम्मीद करते हैं सब खैरियत से होंगे, मज़े में होंगे। अच्छा तो नाज़रीन, आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले अपने नए टॉपिक, और आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो है जी हमारे पास इनकॉर्पोरेशन स्टेज ऑफ अ पब्लिक कंपनी। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं जी अपनी रीडिंग। द सेकेंड स्टेप फॉर एस्टेब्लिशिंग ऑफ अ कंपनी इज़ टू गेट द कंपनी इनकॉर्पोरेटेड और रजिस्टर्ड। द promoters have to prepare and file a number of documents with the registrar for the incorporation of company. These documents are as under. Number 1, the memorandum of association signed by at least 7 persons. Number 2, the articles of association signed by at least 7 persons. Number 3, promoters have to file a prospectus or assess statement in lieu of prospectus with the registrar. Number 4, a list of directors and their willingness to act, duly signed by each of them. Number 5, notice of the address at which the registrar office of the company will be situated. Number 6, original copies of the receipted callants in receipt of payment of duty on shares capital and the prescribed filling fee. Number 7, a statutory declaration by the secretary or a chartered accountant that all the provisions of the company ordinance with regard to registration have been fulfilled. Number 8, declarations of qualifying shares. All the declarators whose names are in the list have to submit a declaration certificate that they have taken up qualifying shares and have paid up the money. The above documents, when submitted, must be accompanied with requisite filling fee. The registrar, on receipt of all the documents with the scrutinize them. If he is satisfied that the requirements of law have been fully met with, he will register the company with the registrar of companies and issues a certificate of incorporation. The certificate of incorporation is a proof of the fact that all the requirements of the company's ordinance have been complete with. On obtaining the certificate, the company gets an independent legal entity. It can sue or be sued in its name, but it cannot start the business. Number 3, इसके बाद नेक्स्ट हमारे पास है सब्सक्रिप्शन स्टेज ऑफ पब्लिक कंपनी. A public company can commence business on receipt of certificate of incorporation. However, a public company has to fulfill and other requirements of subscription to obtain the certificate of commencement of business. The subscription stage is concerned with the following main steps. Number 8, a prospectus has been issued inviting the public to subscribe for the share. Number 2, where no prospectus have been issued, a statement in lieu of prospectus has been filed with the registrar. Number 4, अच्छा जी, इसके बाद है commencement stage of a public company. Number 1, a declaration to the effect that shares payable in cash have been allotted up to the amount of the minimum subscription. Number 2, a declaration to the effect that every director has paid in the full amount of the shares payable in cash. Number 3, a declaration to the effect that no money is liable to be repaid to applicants for the shares or debentures which have been offered for public subscription. अच्छा, Number 4, a statutory declaration by the chief executive of one of the director and the secretary that the aforesaid condition have been compelled with. Next, the registrar on being fully satisfied that number A, the verified declaration have been filled and number second, all the requirements of the ordinance have been compiled with issue a certificate called certificate of commerce commencement of business on receipt of this certificate a company is entitled to कॉमर्स बिजनेस। अच्छा तो नाज़रीन ये थी हमारी आज की वीडियो। उम्मीद करते हैं वीडियो आपको पसंद आई होगी। मिलते हैं अपने नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग। वी विल बी नेक्स्ट।